Heatsink fans replacement, keyboard replacement, SSD upgrade, and RAM upgrade on Alienware 17 are for gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Russell, for trusting PTIT Solutions. Replacing the heatsink fans on a laptop is generally worth it if the fans are no longer functioning properly. Properly working fans are crucial for maintaining optimal temperatures and preventing overheating, which can lead to hardware damage or reduced performance. If the laptop is experiencing overheating issues, loud noises from the fans, or frequent shutdowns due to heat, replacing the heatsink fans can extend the lifespan of the device and ensure it runs efficiently. Upgrading to an SSD is a very good move, especially when done by a professional repair shop. SSDs are significantly faster than traditional HDDs, leading to quicker boot times, faster application loading, and overall improved system responsiveness. They are more reliable due to having no moving parts, which reduces the risk of mechanical failure. Additionally, SSDs consume less power, benefiting battery life in laptops, and operate silently compared to noisy HDD. Having the upgrade performed by a professional ensures correct installation, proper data migration, and necessary system adjustments for optimal performance. Overall, an SSD upgrade provides a noticeable performance boost and enhances the reliability of your system, making it a worthwhile investment. Upgrading the RAM in your computer is a smart move, particularly when done by a professional repair shop. Increased RAM improves multitasking capabilities, allowing for smoother performance when running multiple applications. Simultaneously, it enhances system responsiveness and reduces lag, especially in resource-intensive tasks such as video editing, gaming, and large spreadsheet operations. Professional installation ensures compatibility with your system, proper installation and configuration for optimal performance. Overall, a RAM upgrade enhances your computer's efficiency and productivity, providing a noticeable improvement in performance and user experience. Heatsink, fan replacement, keyboard replacement, SSD upgrade, and RAM upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your upgrades too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.